Well, what are the qualities of a good leader?
A leader is somebody that I want to follow. I mean, there's so many variations of leadership. So I don't think about myself as a leader or an influencer, or I know I am, but I don't go around saying I'm the leader. The only time I tell anybody my position is when they ask me on an application, what's your position in the company? Dude, I'm a worker. And I'll just say this, like, following is way more important than leading.
Yeah.
Because look, if you don't have people that can comply to an order, support the leader, like, you don't have leadership. And you're not going to accomplish the mission without followers. Leaders do not accomplish the mission. Leaders inspire the mission, guide the mission, hopefully set the ethics in the environment. And the ethics, however an individual defines that. So, see, for me, like, success is an ethical conversation for me. It's not a financial one. To me, success is like, it's a duty. It's a spiritual, success for me is like a spiritual event. And if people around me are not successful, I think that's a indication of my leadership issues. And the best thing I can do is be successful.
Yeah.
Because if you're successful, you don't have to convince people to follow you. They just do. The right people are going to just be attracted to it.
Yep.
The drug addict finds the drugs.
Yep.
And poor people find poor people if they want to stay poor. And rich people find the rich people to hang out with. Like, astronauts find spaceships. And my job, my number one job is to make sure I am successful physically, financially, mentally, spiritually, in my relationships. And because that will attract people that want success, and it will actually push away people that have given up on it.
Yeah.